right, Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins standing by. Bobby, you saw the backdrop with the weather out there. Good stuff.
It's nice. A little bit of shade with those clouds that are out there, lower dew points, so it feels better. Dare I say comfortable. September the 2nd, but it's a little warm in some spots, but most areas are actually more comfortable than what we have been. Let's start with the reason why. It's those dew points. They have dropped. Generally, they have been in the mid and upper 70s, well, since June, right? And sometimes even higher than that. But dropping down into the lower 70s, it was about 72 last hour, just went up to 75. That is the difference. It's subtle, it's not a lot, but it's enough for us this time of year to make the difference. It was coming in on some northerly winds, and they were a little breezy yesterday and overnight, but they've come down a little bit today. Clearwater's still at 13, so you can see it kind of coming in here along the coast. But generally, everybody else is light winds, about 5 to 10 miles per hour or so. Upper 80s to a couple of low 90s out there, 88 in Tampa, 90 in Lakewood Ranch, 82 in Clearwater, 85 in Newport Richey, and 91 up in Homosassa. You can see the gray skies, but it's not all gray. There's some blue out there, and you can see we're going to have some sunshine. In fact, it's going to be another gorgeous sunset. We had a really good one last night. We will do that again just before 8 o'clock tonight. There's the satellite and radar. You can see the clouds coming in from the west. The wind is out of the north and east, and that's where those showers are coming from. So you get this overlapping situation, and we'll keep that for a couple of days. And so you'll see this frontal boundary sitting down here making these clouds and showers, and the top's coming in this direction. So we're going to be kind of in and out of the clouds for the next 48 hours or so. Look at this low. You can see it spinning right there. That should move off to the east-northeast. These are what we watch this time of year for tropical development, although we don't think we're going to get anything out of it, but we'll watch it. Some of the models do deep into low, but it moves it out to sea, so we're not concerned about it. This is the forecast for this evening. 1 or 2 showers can't be ruled out. Most of us will not see it, mainly a dry, comfortable evening. Tomorrow, that's around 7 o'clock in the morning. Good start to your Wednesday. I gotta make sure I keep saying the right days because I did work yesterday, but I'm still all messed up. Northeast winds, not a lot, 5 to 10 miles per hour. But again, remember, storms starting coming in from the northeast to the southwest. A few, not a lot. But at the same time, these high clouds coming in from the west, again, that overlapping. So that'll give us 1 or 2 showers as we get in the afternoon, and that is not a lot. So yeah, you'll be lucky if you get a sprinkle if you want it, right? Most areas won't see it. So tonight, down slowly through the 80s, and then right around, I say about 9 to 10, we'll be getting many areas into the upper 70s. Tomorrow, we're going to go in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. I did add a few extra clouds, especially in the afternoon. Boating forecast, Gulf temp 87, northeast winds to the northwest, only around 5 to 10 knots, so 1 to 2 foot seas. Actually pretty good out there. Light chop out there on the bay. Let's talk rain chances. You can see that they really pretty low tomorrow. Coming up a little bit by Thursday. Friday back down around 30%. Saturday. Sunday's been flip-flopping. You know, we were thinking 40% chance for this weekend, but now it's looking a little bit drier as the moisture gets pushed off towards the south. So great news as far as that's concerned. Big trough with cooler weather for our friends and family up north. Look at that. That's Thursday's high temperatures in the 60s. 59 for a high temperature in Minneapolis on Friday. None of that for us, but that does, believe it or not, affect the tropics. And coming up in 30 minutes, I will talk how that affects the tropics. But here you go for the weekend forecast. It does warm up, guys, getting back into the low 90s, and we'll have those afternoon showers and storms, but only at about a 30% chance.
All right.